friends, I'm Henry, and this is my pet cat Squirrel. And we are going to do some science experiments today. Who wants to do some science? Because I do. Okay, so the first experiment, we are going to need some water, celery that has to have some leaves on it, and some red food coloring, or blue if you want. So the first thing we're going to do is put 2 to 3 drops of food coloring in the water. And we're going to stir it around with this spoon. The next thing we're going to do is put a piece of celery in it with some leaves. Do you think something's going to happen? I think we'll have to be patient. This might take a while. So while we're waiting for that, we might as well get started on the next experiment. What we'll need is baking soda, water, 12 inches of cotton string, and 2 cups. So, we are going to pour some water into each of these cups. I'm pretty thirsty. That's good. Next, we're going to put a tablespoon of baking soda. You can't use baking powder, because that won't work, into each cup. And you have to be careful when you're pouring it, so you don't want it to spill. We're going to stir it up. And if it works out well, you won't be able to see through the water very well. And then the last thing we'll do for this, we're going to put the string in. One end in each cup. And try and make sure that it's down in the water. And you want to make sure that the string is not falling, but that the cups are a few inches apart. What do you think's going to happen? I wonder if anything's happened over here yet. Do you see anything? I don't. They will have to be patient. I'm still waiting for it. This hasn't done anything either. We might have to wait a few days. Well, in the meantime, see ya.